Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: A Guide to Writing Python Regular Expressions for String Splitting. Introduction. Regular expressions, regex, are powerful tools for pattern matching and string manipulation in Python. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating a Python regular expression to split a string in a specific way. We'll use the re module, which provides support for regular expressions. Scenario: suppose you have a string that consists of words separated by underscores, and you want to split the string into a list of words. The challenge is that some words are enclosed in square brackets and should be treated as a single entity. For example, given the input string apple_orange_banana_grape_kiwi, the desired output should be apple, orange, banana_grape, kiwi. Let's break down the process step by step. Step 1. Import the re module. Step 2. Define the regular expression pattern. Explanation. Step 3. Apply the regular expression to split the string. Step 4. Display the result. Putting it all together. Output. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Python regular expression to split a string in a specific way. Regular expressions are powerful, and understanding their syntax can greatly enhance your string manipulation capabilities in Python. ChatGPT